already changed corporate America. Most employees just haven't realized it yet. So you clicked on this video because somewhere deep down, you already feel something changing about work, about careers, about AI. And most people still believe that the shift is something coming in the future. That's the first mistake. Because I work inside one of the largest financial institutions in America. And over the last 18 months, I've watched artificial intelligence quietly start reshaping how corporate work actually gets done. Not dramatically, but quietly. One workflow at a time, one expectation at a time, one department at a time. And what scares me the most is that millions of employees still think that job security works on the same way that it did 5 years ago. It doesn't. In this video, I'm going to show you what's actually changing, why most people are looking at AI completely wrong, and why the people adapting early may completely leapfrog everyone else over the next few years. This is the part that almost nobody explains correctly. Companies are not asking, can AI completely replace this employee tomorrow? They're asking, can AI reduce the amount of labor needed? That distinction changes everything. Because once work becomes faster, expectations change. And once expectations change, the entire corporate system starts reorganizing around efficiency. That means fewer repetitive tasks, leaner workflows, faster communication, compressed timelines, and higher output expectations. And the craziest part, most employees still think that working harder inside the old system was going to protect them. But here's the rehook. AI is not changing work. It's changing visibility. Because the people getting ahead right now are not necessarily the smartest people in the building. They're the people who understand the new rules first. After watching this happen up close, I realized something just really uncomfortable. Corporate America has always had hidden systems. Hidden rules around promotions, visibility, communication, influence, executive attention, positioning. Most people never even see them. They just work hard, stay loyal, keep their head down, and hope that someone notices. But AI accelerates all of those invisible systems. Because once repetitive work becomes easier to automate, human leverage becomes more important. And this is key. Things like judgment, communication, adaptability, strategic thinking, relationship capital, synthesis, leadership presence. Those are skills compounding in value right now. And the people that understand that shift early may completely change the trajectory of their careers over the next few years. But here's the part that honestly bothers me. It bothers me the most, is most AI content online is making regular people just feel stupid. You don't need another tech influencer screaming about 10 AI tools that will change your life. You need translation. You need someone to explain what's actually happening, what matters, what doesn't, what skills are increasing in value, how to adapt without becoming a programmer, and how to stop feeling replaceable. Because millions of people right now feel behind, they feel confused, invisible, anxious, ashamed, overwhelmed, and honestly, like everyone else understands this except for them. That's why I created the Career Protocol. Not to scare people, to help them understand the new rules before they get blindsided by them. And I genuinely believe this next part. I think the next few years are going to create one of the biggest career reshufflings we've seen in decades, if not our lifetime. Not because humans stop mattering, but because the rules around value are changing. And the people who understand those rules early will have a massive advantage. So this channel exists for the overlooked, the anxious, the hard workers, the people trying to adapt, the people who know something is changing but can't fully explain it yet. We're going to talk about AI displacement, visibility, corporate psychology, executive communication, future-proof skills, resumes, networking, leverage, how to become strategically harder to replace in the AI era. Because this isn't about panic. It's about understanding the system before the system understands you. So if that resonates with you, subscribe. Because Career Protocol is going to become the decoder ring for the people trying to survive and evolve during one of the biggest shifts in modern work history.